Hello Year 2, this is Miss Louise, and today we're going to be doing maths. We will start to look at partitioning two-digit numbers into tens and ones, and then adding them. To do this, we're going to recap on our tens and ones. Make sure you have a pen or a pencil and paper to take notes on the lesson. Now let's take a look at our vocabulary for the lesson.
Our first word is digit. Digit means number. If we say digits, we are talking about two or more numbers. Our second word is partitioning, which means to separate or divide something. Our last word is adding, which is the same as addition, where we put two or more things together. Now let's start with a quick look at our tens and ones. So 68 is 60 and 8. 21 is 20 and 1. 37 is 30 and 7. 96 is 90 and 6. 55 is 50 and 5. 42 is 40 and 2. 83 is 80 and 3. Now let's take a look at these together. Each tall stack of blocks is 10, and the ones left over are the ones. Let's take a look at the first one. There are 4 tens and 3 ones, 43. Let's look across. 2 tens and 7 ones, making 27. Let's look at the next one. There's 1 10 and 8 ones, making 18. The next one, there are 7 tens and 8 ones, 78. The next one, 9 tens and 2 ones, 92. And then we have 9 tens and 3 ones, making 93. Excellent work, Year 2. Let's have a look at another set. 2 tens and 4 ones makes 24. Let's look at the next one. 2 tens and 9 ones make 29. And the next one. 3 tens and 3 ones make 33. 4 tens and 8 ones make 48. And then we have 5 tens and no ones, which make 50. Now let's take a look at partitioning. When we add numbers, sometimes it helps to break these numbers up into parts, which help to simplify what is being added. Here we have 7, add 5. We're going to keep the big number 7, and we're going to split the 5 up. So 3 and 2. Now we can add them together. So now we have 7 add 3 makes 10, add 2 makes 12. Now we're going to look at some bigger numbers. You might look at this and think, what on earth is this? How am I going to work this out? Let's see. We have 53, add 24. We're going to look at 53 first. Let's split it. So 5 tens are 50. Now we're left with 3. Let's do the same for 24. 2 tens are 20, leaving 4. Now what we're going to do is add the 50 and the 20. So we can count in tens, 50, 60, 70. 50 and 20 equals 70. Now we're going to add the 3 and the 4. 3 add 4 equals 7. Excellent work, Year 2. Now I can add the 70 and the 7 to get my answer. So 70 add 7, count with a big number, 70, add 7 equals 77. Now let's look at another sum. 31 add 48. We're going to do this exactly the same way. Let's begin. 31. We have 3 tens and a 1. 45. We have 4 tens and 5. So what are we going to do? We're going to add the 30 and the 40. 30 add 40 equals 70. What are we going to do next? That's right, add the 1 and the 5. 1 add 5 equals 6. Now we're going to add the 70 and the 6 to get our answer. 76. Excellent, Year 2. Now we're going to look at another one. 62 add 23. We're going to do it the same way as before. You ready? 6 and the 2. We need to divide that. 60 and 2. 6 tens is 60 and 2 ones is 2. 23. 20 and 3. Add the 60 and the 20. 60 and 20. What does that make, Year 2? 80. Great work. Now what do we need to do? Add the 2 and the 3. 2 and 3 equals 5. Excellent work. Now what do we do next? Add the 80 and 5. 80 and 5 equals 85. And there's your answer. Let's look at another one together, exactly the same way. So 54 add 13. 54. 5 tens, 4 ones, making 50 and 4. 13. 1 10 and 3 ones, making 10 and 3. What are we going to do? Add the 50 and the 10. 50 add 10 equals 60. Excellent work. Now what do we do? 4 and 3. 4 add 3 equals 7. Great work, Year 2. You're doing amazing. Now what should we do? Add the 60 and the 7. So 60 add 7 equals 67. Fantastic work, Year 2. Now I want you to do these ones yourself. Pause the video, write them down, and in the next lesson we will look at all of them and see how many you got right. I'm sure you'll get 5 of them right. Excellent work today, Year 2. I know this is a little bit of a tricky topic, but we're going to keep practicing. If you're not sure yet, don't worry. I'm sure by next lesson you'll have picked everything up. Take care for now. Well done for your excellent lesson, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.